All right, we're good. What do you want to do now? Not lean,
yeah,
right?
Not lean. Stay in the center. If I start.
Am I centered?
Yeah. But when I lean, you don't lean with me.
Of course not.
I'm paddling, so.
This is gonna be hard as fuck, dude.
It's a edge and then we'll go from there. When it starts to like go like this, just stay still, cool? Don't try to like counter do it.
Nick, be careful. Nick!
Well, I'm trying, bitch.
Nick, I'm leaning. I'm not leaning. I'm like trying to counter lean you.
Don't do that. Just stay in the middle.
That sucks.
We're not gonna be able to go.
I'm swimming. Go, Nick.
Done?
Yeah. No. 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 You can?
Yeah.
I'm pushing it. I'm pushing it. Go. You push, I pull. Fuck that.
Fuck that shit, Jake.